There's a wonderful database called Findmypast. It has a lot of information on the England censuses and other birth and death records, school records, and more. Findmypast is one of our partner sites. So I can click on Findmypast, and it will offer me this invitation. You are leaving Family Search to visit one of our partner sites. We have a relationship with this partner. If you link your account, you will get free access to many of their services. To learn more, visit our Family Search Partner Access page on this webpage address. So I'll go ahead and click that. If you don't already have access or a login for this particular partner site, then you can go here. I call this the green page. So here's Findmypast. I can join for free. It's going to require you to create a username and password. You can use the same one as your Family Search username and password or create a different one. If you already have an account with Findmypast, then you can click here and join your accounts together. If you don't have one, you can click right here and create a new account. The last few times I've helped someone register for a Findmypast account, it comes up with an error. But because we're in the Family History Center, they go ahead and research this information. If it does come up with an error, please contact them and ask them what the problem is. Once you have a Findmypast account, then you click OK. Going into Findmypast, now I need to sign in. I was too slow clicking sign in there, so it has a pop-up here. It wants me to sign in to Facebook, but I don't choose to do that. I just want to sign in to Findmypast. I'll click in here. It comes up with my information. I click sign in. Now that I'm signed in, it has fed the information from Family Search into the search parameters for Findmypast, and it brings up a lot of information. These birth records are just indexes of how we might send off for a birth record. It usually costs money. This will just say that there is a birth record, and I can order a certificate there. The most value I see that's offered for free on Findmypast are the censuses. I'm going to click on that. I would just like to see the census, land, and substitutes, and then from there, censuses. I'm sure there are other sites that show you great information, but the census is where I generally look. This is the census year. My person, Thomas, was born in 1850 in Stanhope, and I can go to his name in the 1871 census or in the 1881 census. Let me go here to the 1881 census. If I click on this index page, it just shows me a transcription of that page. I'm going to go back. I would actually like to see an actual photograph of that page. I'll make that just a little bit bigger. Here's Thomas's page. Thomas Watson, age 30, Isabella, 32, Joseph, my grandfather, 4-year-old boy. His sister, 2 years old and married. Let me show you around this England census record. There are some things about it that I really love. First of all, there is a column that if you're a male, they want you to write the age in this column. If you're female, they want you to write the age in this column. It tells the profession of head of household or anyone else that might be old enough to work. My great-grandfather was a lead miner. I don't think my relatives lived to be very old because of that profession. The thing that I love on the England census records is it asks for the city and the county, as well as what country they're in, instead of just saying what state were you born in, as U.S. census records ask. Then it will tell me the little area or little province they were in, the road or the name of the house number. They were in a little area called St. John's Chapel. Now there's no way of getting this actual record onto Family Search. There's no link, there's no download. So what I'd like to do, I will make this page so that all of it is viewable, and then I will right click and save image as. it saves it in PNG format, which is acceptable under Documents in Family Tree. So I will name this document. When it's blue, I can just start typing. Joseph Watson, 1881 census, and save. By the way, when you do save that document, make sure you remember where you saved it to. Now I'll go back to Thomas Watson in Family Tree, go to his Memories collection. I will ignore the fact that I already have that in there once and show you how to upload this document. I will click on Upload Document. I'll go back to where I downloaded the original document, and I'll find my document. Here it is right here, Joseph Watson, 1881 census. And I'll open. I'll click on that document, give it a title, Thomas Watson and Family in the 1881 census in Stanhope, Durham, England. Save. Now it wants to know where Thomas can be found. I'll click right here and elongate this tag and bring that down to Thomas's family. And save. I can also click make that a smaller slot and show Joseph and type in that this is Joseph Watson. Now Thomas Watson and Joseph Watson are tagged there. I'll click another tag and I'll scoot it down and I'll say this is where Isabella Featherstone is found. Now all three of these people have this reference in their Memories documents. This is the way it will show up in Documents in Memories. I hope you get a chance to investigate the Findmypast database to see if you can add more information and documentation to your relatives.